Okay guys, so here we go. Oh my god. Bro, that's crazy. Huh? Jesus Christ. There's a door open at the back as well.
Yeah, door's open at the back.
Jesus Christ, man. Look at the size of these tyres.
2009. Well, 29th of the 5th, 04.
Yeah.
So it's been to Afghanistan then?
Jesus Christ. And look, there's a little viewing point.
I feel sorry for the guy who had to drive this bastard.
Yeah.
It's right on top of the gearbox.
Jesus, it's like hovering as well. We got all this stuff around us. This is weird. We keep seeing these signs. They say like out of bounds to all military personnel. You know. This is one of my favourite Explorers ever. It is a fucking helicopter, and it's got, well, some of the helicopter propellers on it, and it's got all of the inside, which you would have seen already. But oh my god. You just heard a gunshot there as well. That's from probably the nearby Air Force Base. But oh my god, just look at this thing. This is fucking beautiful. It really is. There's gunshots everywhere. Guys, this is where they would have obviously drove or piloted the helicopter. So someone would have sat there, someone would have sat there. Got obviously all their controls would have been, well, just here and there, and it's still got its end. Obviously it's a bit trashed. Hey look, it's got the RAF symbol. It's got the RAF symbol.
You can get inside.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Shame it's trashed, but it's an abandoned fucking helicopter. No way. This is our first aircraft. Yeah. Jesus Christ, man.
I'll go in.
Oi, look at this.
Do you want to go in it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, no.
Okay guys, so we just found this. I'm not actually too sure. Joe says it's a vacuum chamber because that's what we saw on. Yeah, so we got like some sort of trucks, or we can walk straight through it. I'm balls in it. Well, be careful on this though. Yeah. Shit, I don't know what that is. It's well dark on my camera. Yeah, I'm just turning up. Oh, sorry. Right. Jesus Christ. Sorry if this is too dark. I don't really have my light. So Joe said this used to be probably a vacuum chamber. But it feels so weird in here, man.
It echoes.
Yeah.
I couldn't be in here for more than 10 minutes. It'd kill me.
Wait, shh. Okay, yeah, no, go out the back, may as well. This is the view out the back, guys. There's so much to explore here. So this is also a vacuum chamber, but that one's sealed.
Well, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah. Oh shit. Damn, them tyres. They probably done it on purpose, you know. But yeah, that's a vacuum chamber right there. On there. Let me just switch my ISO for the shot.
Bomb. EOD Tring.
I feel really unsafe putting my foot on this, you know.
Well, it's not got a fuse. That ain't, isn't it?
Jesus Christ, there's a fucking bomb. Guys, so there's lots of cars over there actually.
1, 2. I'm counting 4 cars, 2 vans.
We can't go over there. They're flying the little jet around, like you can see them guys. There's a tank there.
Sort of places quick. I need to be on that side.
Okay, so we just found a bullet. That's cool. Okay, so we just found these trucks. And a tank. Yeah. Oh, it's a medical. Yeah. That's used for medical. That's a medical truck. And then guys, this is a tank, obviously. This is our second tank in what, 1 week, 2 weeks? 2 weeks, second tank in 2 weeks. I'm impressed, you know. Look at that, wow. So it's even got like the old lights. That's cool. That's really cool.
Hello.
Okay, so obviously we're inside this tank. I don't want to show your face, because obviously I don't want to get us in trouble.
Really, I was going to be that bollocks, really.
Fine then, I'll show your face. Okay guys, so obviously this is the inside of the driver's bit. Or the gunman, I don't know who would have sat here. Guys, we're in trouble. There's planes flying over. And next to it here, we've got loads of bombs. I'm just trying to get quickly recorded because there's a person with dogs out, and I don't know if they're looking for us. Here you see loads of bombs. Sorry about that noise in the background, it's a plane. Jesus Christ. Look how many bombs there are. This is one of the scariest fucking things I've ever done. Standing on a bomb. Oh my god, no, I can't do this. This is a gun. Yeah.
Where?
Just here, wherever. Just jump. Alright, walk around. So this is a gun, guys. This place just seriously gets better and better. Wow, look, I swear. They would have sat.
What's up, mate?
Okay guys, so we found this bomb, but it's got its parachute, or whatever it would have done to have like flying around the air or whatever the fuck, I don't really know the term. That is there. So we found this radar vehicle, which is really, really cool. It's still got all the, oh my god. Hold on, let me turn up the ISO. Jesus Christ, look at all them dials.
Oh shit.
There's so many. This is inside the other. It's got a lot of cables in there as well. Wow. Jesus Christ, that's a weird looking bomb.
It's not because it's not a bomb, it's a missile.
Okay, so we've got a missile here. Russian missile. Oh yeah, it's a Russian rocket on it. Oh wow.
Should have a glass head at the end.